Hi! So today I am going to be unboxing the Sain Publications Homeschool Preschool Bundle number 2. I just ordered this for our preschool at home that we are starting this year, and so I wanted to unbox it for all of you so you can see the exciting things that Sain Publications has to offer. So like I said, this is from Sain Publications. This is Homeschool Preschool Bundle box number 2, and I'm really excited to see what all is inside of this. All right, so it looks like we have a memory work flashcard set with some really short, cute, helpful memory verses for us to teach to our young children, laminated so the kids can actually get a hold of it. It also gives a few in the Hall of the Faithful, how to become a Christian, where is it found. This is going to be a really helpful tool for the memory work portion of our preschool. We also have a flip chart, also laminated, a busy book. So this is going to be something that they can use maybe to keep quiet during a Bible class. I will probably give this one to my younger child to look through while I'm trying to teach other things to my older child. So that's going to be really helpful as well. I'm very excited about this. This is a little songbook. This has got all of the songs that you need with all of the lyrics. And sometimes, let's be real, I just need new ideas of songs because of singing the same 5 over and over again. So this will be really helpful. This is really thick and each page has a different song. So that is going to be really helpful as well. Looks like we've got a DVD, Adventures with Chip, starring the wonderful Robert Hatfield. So I'm very excited about these. Adventures with Chip, if you've never heard of it, it's just got some really good moral lessons for kids. Pretty funny, especially for me because Robert's on it. So, good stuff. All right, we've also got a coloring book. So this has got a little flip chart coloring book for kids, which will be super fun for them. What I'm most excited about. The curriculum! So each of these great Bible stories curriculum for preschool, we have Old Testament and New Testament. So they can walk through the whole Bible, and this actually has 4 packets, which is going to be great. I know that each one has the story, has some questions for you to ask your kids. Some of them have little activities that they can do, and on the back they all tell you, today I have learned. So it even gives you objectives. And like I said, this is for preschoolers. This is going to walk through the whole Bible, Old Testament and New Testament. So even just kind of giving you an outline or supplemental things. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to use this as our curriculum through our preschool or if I'm going to use this as sort of a supplemental thing for all the quarantine, lack of Bible classes stuff that we've had going on. And I may use some of this to take with us to use during worship as far as drawing and looking and learning to take notes, and then also going through each of the stories. So I'm very excited about that. There's also, I've lost it, a thumb drive that has some other great stuff on it. Right now I know that we've got some different things from the rocking chair to be able to have some of those audio stories. And I know that in Preschool Bundle number 1, you actually get the book of those lessons. So this is great. I'm really excited. There is so much in here. And this whole box was $40, but it's for a year's worth of material, and not just a year's worth of preschool material, but an actual full year, 4 quarters worth of study material. So really that could even be spread out over a couple of years if I needed it to be. But I'm very excited about it, super excited about all of the different things, and thankful for Sain Publications for putting this box together. And I know that my 4-year-old is going to really enjoy it. Thanks for watching.